back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the TWS9, so TWS i9s. Let's have a look at the front of the box. So as you can see, we are at the front of the box. The lighting looks a bit weird and it's pretty bad now, but anyway, at the front of the box we have the S9s, what are fake Apple AirPods, and then here we have i9s, you know, the name, what we saw on the side of the box. On the front side of the box we have some symbols. First of all, one indicating about the battery and fast charging. Two, there's one indicating about the phone and music, and one is also indicating there's a built-in microphone, and also there's one indicating that there's Bluetooth in communication. And here are the sides of the boxes, as you can see, and we haven't looked at the back, so let's have a look at that quickly. So at the back of the box we have the TWS9s in its case, and at the bottom, if I can focus that, it has the model and the version, and so the version is Bluetooth, for example, the input, so that's a DC 5 volt, the battery capability, the talking time, the charging time, and sensitivity settings, and all of the other things. Also, it's made in China, but that's not too bad for this product. So yeah, these are the TWS9s, and let's go and unbox them. For some reason, they didn't come in a seal or anything, or any like sticky stuff, and I've been told that they should, but it didn't. It's not second-hand one. This is 100% brand new. And sorry, I put the camera down. So as you can see, the box is all plain. This is just the box. And we have the TWS9s, and they look very good. Wow, this is my first look at the TWS9s. They look so good in the hand. They really feel good in the hand. Yeah, we'll get onto those later. But anyway, I just want to tell you there is a micro USB charger right here. The pods are wireless charging, but when you lose this charging case, they will be useless because you can't use them on any other charging case. So let's go and get into the box, and as you can see we have this clip, and that's for this nice case for the AirPod thingies, and we also have a micro USB charger. Of course we have one to charge it up. And we also, lastly, we have an instruction manual. Oh, we got the wrong way around. Oh, right. So we're going to follow into that, as this is the review as well. We're going to, you know, set it all up and do that on camera. But I'm just going to find the English page. So finally, we found the English page. So TWS9s, all that stuff, wireless stereo headphones or earphones. Instructions. So first of all, we have the packaging list, the product design, and we have the product specifications, product use, and all of this stuff. But first of all, we're going to do the product use, so we can pair up the things and do all that stuff. So I just opened it, and then the lights came on. If you can't see them, but yeah, the lights are on. They just went on when I opened up the case. Well, that's pretty cool. So, and now I need to take this off. So, okay, guys. So I opened up the charging case and the pods, the AirPods. The light on here, you see, just turned on. There's also a little orange light when it indicates when it charges, so that's nice. And we have the AirPods right inside of the case. Let me just get that open for you guys. There we go. That's so nice. It looks very realistic. Look at this picture. It looks so realistic, doesn't it, guys? It's a bit shaky, the video, because I am actually holding it with my hand, but it's gonna... They're very good. The back, you have that little hinge thingy, Let's open it up a bit. Let's go and take out the AirPod alternatives. Let's go close that up there and let's do it. Alright guys, so yeah, here we are. We are going to now open up these, the case. So let's go and open this up and let me show you a first glimpse of these AirPod alternatives. So you see you got the speaker there, we've got some hole. I don't really know what these holes are for, but they're for sound. We have one right over there. We have at the back, we have a little button. Well, it's not that visible, so you won't see it often. Well, it's actually hard to see, that's what I mean. I think this is the microphone. I think it's a surround, so it's going to be a good microphone. When you double tap that little button at the back, you should get your previous call contact from your contacts, and it's the same on the right earbud. It's actually the same. Let me show you me putting it back on. Oh, I just closed the case, so we're gonna do this. It's pretty hard to do it upside down on camera. I think I've just done it the wrong way round. Did I? No, I didn't. Alright, okay. So, sadly this does not work with my iPod. And I get it, look, Internet Pod, but it's actually Apple's branding. My iPod Classic, you see it won't work with that. But these should be compatible with any Bluetooth device. So, they should be compatible with the iPod, second generation. So, we should get that working on them. But currently, I'm going to use my iPhone, and I'm currently recording on that. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my second camera to show you. So, let me go and close the case, and then we can get started pairing these things. But guys, before we do that, we are going to actually try out this case, and also we're going to quickly try out this accessory as well for the case. So what we have to do, I believe you just have to put the AirPods in here, just like that. Ooh. And there we go. The case is installed and got a hinge cover and all installed. But it's not yet installed. We have to, at the back, install the little hinge clippy thing. What goes on backpacks or anything you like. Alright guys, this is pretty hard. Ouch. This is actually pretty hard on camera, so let's try and do this. Ooh. Oh. You can't see this, but I'm actually just putting the thing on. Oh, that was easy, wasn't it? And I did do it on camera. I was holding the camera, but you couldn't even see anything. But there you go. The installation's completed, and it's a very protected case. You can still see the LEDs just fine, and they look even better and brighter. Yeah, in real life. And I'm really, I don't know. Why did I say that? But anyway, guys, I really want you guys to actually get your hands on these, because these are actually pretty good AirPod alternatives. They look very realistic. They come with a case. They're very good. They're very comfortable than the last generation. That was really horrible. So I'm going to put a link below in the video just so you can get your hands on one. Well, it was pretty hard, and it got easier and easier to actually put the case on. I mean off. Okay, so now we're going to set it up. So yeah, I'm going to try to get the second camera all done and, you know, ready. Alright guys, so we're now going to set up the AirPods. I've got my phone right here, and if you didn't know, we have the Tech Awesome phone case, so yeah, that's cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Now we're going to set it up. I'm going to do a time lapse due to the amount of memory. I have to send this video through mail as this is the second camera. But now let's go and set it up in time lapse. Right guys, they're all set up, and on my phone I have a little battery symbol, and when you turn off your phone, turn it back on, when the AirPods are charging, you should get like the battery percentage on your phone. Let me see if I can find it, the battery percentage. No, when it's charging, it will actually show you the battery percentage like the real AirPods. So, as you can see, TWS are connected. So, I've done all the pairing progress, and let's go and have a listen to them. So, yeah, let's go and test these out. These are good. Okay, so when these are at full volume, the sound can get a little, like, you know, vacuumy, like, but when it's like, look at a lower volume, then they won't do that. So yeah, but these are actually very good, and I think it's because like they're playing like at a different, you know, like it's just playing at a different pace. Can I like, let's see if it works if I so when you double tap the button, I'm going to double tap it. Let's see what happens. It plays the music. So when you push the button, it pauses the music. When you double tap the button, it will go beep, but it should actually, you know, do your recent call on your contacts. But these, I would say these are a 9 out of 10. Or actually, I'll give them a 10 out of 9.5. I can't do that, but these are so good. Like, the sound quality is perfect when you have it on like half the volume, but these are very good earbuds. Now let's put these back in the carrying case. Oh, see, I might read the instructions, you know, a little more just to find out more about these. But these are so good. The quality, surprisingly, they're good. But yeah, these are very good. There you go. It does have voice control as well. That's nice. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tell me what to do next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!